Okay, now let's say we have a situation where we're not getting the citation. So I have this website here. I'm looking at this page. So it's important to look at the page because the information we're going to have to fill in is actually on the page, right? So this is a blog post about some random comedy thing, really random. All right, so this is a blog post. We see an author here. We see the year that it was published. This is the title. Now, I'm going to copy this URL. I'm going to go here, copy paste it. I click cite. Dun, da, 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 da. It can't automatically cite it. It says unable to access this web page. Okay, so that means I have to do this manually. Before I do that, let me change to MLA, Modern Language Association style. Okay, and I'm going to cite this manually. So I click here. It's going to ask me what is the source. So in this case, it's a web page. So I'm going to click here for web page. Now the title. All right, so I have to go back. This is the title. Copy, paste. Description. This is a blog post. I'm going to put blog. You don't have to put anything here, but I know it's a blog post. Website name. Okay, the website name. I'm just going to copy this. jokermag.com. I go here to website name, paste that there. So contributor details. This means who's the author. So the author, I know the author because their name is right here, Sir Tyler Griffith. So first name, Tyler, last name, Griffith. No initials. I don't need to put a title. This title here is if it's like a doctor or PhD or something. This is just the right, so the title is not needed, so no title. All right, so I have that information there. Year of publication, I go back here. This is the date it was published, so 2018, October 5th. I go back here. So year 2018. I go here, I put the month, October. I put the day, the 5th. This here, access date, do not change. This is the date that you went to this website, so that means the information as of this date is accurate. So do not change the access date. Right? Okay. If you have to, they allow you to change it, but generally don't change the access date. And the URL is exactly the exact URL of the page that you got the information about. So I copy that, I go here, URL, I paste it, and I click Save Citation. Let me make sure that's, yep, Save Citation. And what it did was now it formatted the citation for me. It has all the information that we need. And this is a proper citation. Then, in your document, I'll just open up a random document. So, references, because this would be a references list. I go back here. I would click copy. I would go to my document. I would copy paste. And here it is. Here's a citation. I would change that to this. Boom. And there we are. Here's it cited. Here is it cited. So this is if we manually have to do the citation. Your citation needs the name, the author's name. It needs the title. It needs the source. So in this case, the source was this website. It needs the date that this was published. It needs where it came from. So it came from this website. And then the date that you accessed the information. Okay, and this is how you manually cite a source when it's not automatically doing it using one of these websites like Quillbot or Grammarly.